In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Play Store and installing your new default apps. I will go with some kind of SMS one. And Opera mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and tap on Apps section over here. Now click on Default Apps and tap on the best section for you. For example, I want to manage my SMS app, so I have to click over here, tap on the new one in order to apply it, and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!